Every member of the Frump Fighters interactive community who owns the Women's Essentials collection has the official Frump Fighters outfit calendar within their interactive account. These specific outfit formulas not only make getting dressed in the morning effortless, but it's also fun to know that hundreds and even thousands of women across the world are wearing the same outfit formula each day. On the homepage, the outfit of the day is located here, but you can also find it by tapping Calendar and navigating to the Calendar page. Depending on your hemisphere, you can see the outfits for the Northern Hemisphere or for the Southern Hemisphere by tapping the corresponding link. You can also select whether you'd like to see the outfits displayed for the entire month as we do here, or whether you'd like to see the outfits selected for the week. If you wear the outfit of the day, you can upload your version of the outfit by tapping the outfit card, toggling My Pieces, and tapping Customize. From here, you can add a picture of yourself wearing the outfit of the day. To make the photo of yourself wearing the outfit of the day your default image, tap the star. When you upload your photo, you can choose whether to make the photo private or to allow other members of the community to see your version of the outfit. We recommend sharing your outfit with the All Members Visibility setting for an added level of accountability and to inspire others within the community. Once you've uploaded your photo, tap Update. And back on the outfit calendar, we can see that our photo was added. To see how others have styled this outfit, tap the I+ icon on the outfit card. On the Outfits page, make sure you have the community filter selected on the bottom menu to display all of the outfits uploaded by other members. And that is how to join the Frump Fighters community wearing the suggested outfit of the day.